Guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to check your Instagram memories, right? So once you're inside Instagram, guys, you want to go ahead and you want to click your profile picture on the lower right hand side. From there, you want to go ahead and click the three lines on the uppermost right hand side, and you want to go ahead and click an archive. From here, guys, you will be able to see all your archives. So you want to ensure first and foremost that you're on the story archive and not on the post archive or live archive. So you want to ensure your story archive is selected. Now towards the bottom, as you can see right away there, it is shown memories, and it is shown like a picture here. It says 3 years ago. You can click on it and you can see that particular memory, and it also give you the date, etc, etc. And from this, guys, you can style it, you can put it to your story as well, right? So you can even share it with close friends as well, right? So that's how you can go ahead and you can easily find your memories. I want to mention that not all the time this is available, and Instagram just do it randomly. So from time to time you will come here and you'll find those memories. Another time you'll come and there are no memories. So you just have to keep checking. But this is where and how you can go about checking your memories in your Instagram account under your story archive. Really hope you find this useful, guys, and if you do, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, and this will really help me out and help the channel to grow. And as well, give the video a like so that I know that you appreciate content like this. Thank you very much and see you next time.